My name is Julian, and today I'm doing a quick demo on some software I've been developing along with the help and guidance of my good friend Colin. The software, I called it Packet Biter, and you can see it's waiting for a connection. In order for it to connect, we need to inject a game-specific DLL. That DLL will contain hooks for send and receive, as well as a typedef to a function that will send our own packets. This is just a really basic command line injector that I wrote. So let's inject. The DLL creates a console window, so we know we're injected. And now Packet Biter is connected. And we should see that by seeing some packets that we've sent represented here. And just a quick demo of all the features. We're actually going to send a stat packet, just this. We'll copy it, and we're going to send it back to the server again, but this time instead of 1, we're going to give it -500 and send that. You can see it's sent. The client won't update until we log out, which I'm going to do now, and I'm going to pause the video to obscure my character's name. Alright, and we're logging back in now, and you'll see we have 1 dexterity, and we have 500 additional ability points, far more than we should have. That's an exploit specific to this very old MMO called Shadowbane, which is actually no longer running. This is ran by a community of passionate people that created an emulator. But really, it's just to showcase the functionality of Packet Biter. Right now, I only have the very core features. It's in a very raw state. As you can see, it's just picking up the hooks of send and receive, and then we have our typedef to send our own packet. In the future, I want to develop more features. I want to be able to filter based on opcode. So I'll define opcodes, maybe even rename them by something more readable based on, what we determine we think they do or how they, what they represent, as well as defining values in different types. So you can see here is a string, and I want to be able to define that as a string, or like this number rather than hex bytes. It'll be defined as an assigned integer for -500, and maybe we can also assign a name to show us what it represents. Yeah, there's lots more features I want to develop, but this is just the current status, and this is a very quick demo just to document where it's currently at and that these core features are actually implemented and functioning. Alright, thanks for watching.